Nevin here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the blog editor inside of your AutoSite website editor to improve your SEO. So it's pretty powerful, actually, tool that you can use to optimize your website for ranking. And there's a strategy that I like to use that I'm going to go through, and I'm going to show you basically how to do it. So there's just a system that I like to do to create a blog. Usually, I recommend, if possible, add a video. Whether that's a video of you doing a job, explaining to a customer how a system works, etc., etc. Videos are always going to do best. But in this example, if you don't have a video, I'll just dive in. So first, we're just going to head over to the blog, and I've already chosen a title. But what you want to do is you want to think about locations you want to rank for and keywords. So if there's a specific market or a little town or community that maybe you've done jobs in here and there, and there's a lot of money to be made there, but you're just not getting a ton of calls, or when you do a search for that area, if your business just isn't coming up, these are some things you could do to start ranking for those areas. So first, you need to know what that area is and then what keyword it is. So for me, the keywords I'm going to be targeting is pressure washing, and I also have the word house thrown in there, and it's a smaller area called Hershey. Hershey is a smaller town close to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. It's, probably about 15 minutes away from Harrisburg. It's pretty close by. And there's a lot of higher income people there, and it's a market that we really want to do well in. So we're going to create a blog dedicated. Now, it's important to keep in mind, I already have a blog post dedicated, or not a blog post, but multiple pages dedicated to Hershey. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing interlinking, I'm going to be doing FAQs, and I do have a video that I'm going to embed to show you how that process works. You should really be using videos. And I also want to show you how to use ChatGPT in the process as well. So I'll start with ChatGPT. First thing I'll do is I'll add a row above, and then I'll say, so I'm just going to feed in the blog post title, and then I also want to give it some more details. So one thing you need to make sure is that you include schema, and you also want to link back to your. So the way you generally are going to want to link this with your Google My Business page is by either linking it just directly to your page or link it to a specific post in your page. And you can make it better by making a post specifically for like brick pressure wash, brick house washing or whatever, and then link it. I think in this case, I'll just grab the standard link just for simplicity's sake. Okay, and now I'm also going to make sure that it includes some FAQs. Okay, so basically what I did is I just asked ChatGPT to create the main contents of the blog post. I'm going to paste that in, and then I'm going to go grab the video and paste that in. Now, the video for right now, I just have it on Facebook, so I'm going to go grab that. Generally, I'd also recommend you're going to want to upload the videos to YouTube as well. YouTube is where you're going to get more. You're going to get more SEO results from YouTube than Facebook, but Facebook still plays a huge role into the whole SEO process. All right, still writing, so let's give it some time. All right, I've got the post here. Cool. All right, so I've copied the code for the video, so I'll add one more here. And then for the video, it is, oops, sorry guys. I'm going to go ahead and grab this HTML, and then I'm going to paste the link for the video in, but I want to update the height and width first to 100% each. And then I just want to expand this out. Okay, so now this is a cool just little video of pressure washing a brick house for the most part. And now let's go grab our blog content. Just make sure it included. I don't think it included styling, but let's see how this looks. Okay, pressure washing a brick house in Hershey, PA. Okay, so you can see we've got some interlinking. Link to the Google My Business profile. We got our video. Now we just want to go in and set the page title. We've got the meta description. Cool. We need to add a meta description here as well. I think this is a good meta description. We don't have any images for this one, but you probably would want to use an image, but it's not necessary. Just keep that in mind. And then once you got it decent, you can publish it. It doesn't need to be perfect. Sometimes when it comes to the blogs and stuff like this, just worry about getting it up, and then you can, because once you get it up, you'll start getting some SEO built up for it, and then you can always change the design later without hurting your SEO. As long as you don't, totally delete it, take anything away, you can always change the design in the future. So that was just a quick little video, guys, of how to add a blog post quickly and get something out there that will hopefully help you convert a little bit better. So thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.